Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Zamima. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show a soft, simple, everyday eye makeup. So let's get started. So I'm starting with brush my eyebrows. I'm using this gel eyeliner which is dark brown. So I'm drawing a shape of my eyebrow because as you see I have an unplugged eyebrow. And now I'm filling it with this color. I'm taking this black and setting my eyebrows with this black shade. I'm keeping it as much dark as I want. Brushing my eyebrows with this brush. This is Imagic concealer and its warm ivory shade. And now I am drawing a line below my eyebrows and covered my eye with this concealer. I also used some concealer above of my eyebrows just to make it sharp. I'm taking this color to set my eyebrows. Using this orange and applying it in my crease. Blending it in an order of go back and front with my brush. Then I blend it well and try to keep it in natural look. I'm blending this shade all the way of my crease. Now I'm going with this shade and applying it in my outer corner. Then I blend it well with a fluffy brush. I'm spraying a flat brush with setting spray. Using this color and applying it with this weight brush in my lid. A weight brush helps a lot to apply a shimmer color, and I'm applying this shimmer color in all over my lid. Now I am going to use this glitter, pressing it in my lid with the help of my fingertips. This white highlighter to highlight my inner corner. also highlighting my brow bone area with this highlighter. Now I am going back with this shade for my lower lash line. This Lakme eyeliner to draw my eyeline. As you can see, I messed up my eyeliner, so I set it with concealer. And using this Imagic mascara to give volume in my lashes. Also used it in my lower lash. I'm using white kajal from Technique. And this is my final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Do like, comment and share. I love you.